नहीं घर समझो.
To feeling comfortable at some other's house.
At some, yeah, if you go to someone else's house and this and the person says and the host says that make yourself at home, matlab apna hi ghar samjho. Please make yourself at home. Okay, you can say to your guests as well. अपने guests को बोल सकते हो. Please make yourself at home. Right?
Right.
What was the next one?
Next one is polarizing opinion.
Polarizing opinions. Yeah, polarizing का मतलब क्या होता है? ये तो मैंने Satish, did I teach you in
Yes,
class
yes, I
yesterday?
know. I know,
Very
ma'am.
good.
This is the word which I'm not very comfortable making sentences.
Why, couple?
I don't know. Actually, I tried a lot yesterday, but yeah, there was some problem. And let me tell you two or three sentences. Two brother went to Hyundai showroom for buying Verna, and both become paralyzed for color. Yes. So this was the problem actually.
Polarizing is usually the word which is used in the sense of politics mostly.
Okay.
Mostly it's used in the sense of politics or opinions, but not opinions like the opinion and the choice of the color of the car. No.
And can we call it a little bit biasness?
Yeah, it is. It is not a very good thing. It's a very bad thing to, when people have polarizing opinions, it's not very good. When how will they come to the common ground if they have polarizing opinion? One is North Pole, the other is South Pole. How will they come to a common ground? That is the
Right.
problem. You have two extreme opinions, right?
Two extreme opinions.
Yeah, that is what. One is positive, other is
Okay.
negative. That is
So
like
I
two
think
poles.
I also got it wrong because of a I related it with biasness means I am deciding on something and biased towards something and someone and ignoring the
It
other
is
one.
also right. Like you can say that because you once you have an opinion about something which is very extreme, you are biased about the others' opinions, right? दूसरों का दुख दुख नहीं लगता, दूसरों की प्रॉब्लम नहीं लगती, and then everything is wrong about the others, and everything you say is right. That is an end of it. Right? संदीप, किधर हो मैन? आ जाओ, कैमरा चला लो. I can't see you. How are you? Where were you yesterday?
मैम
Where were you yesterday?
मैम कल ਅਸੀਂ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਸੀ
Acha. Gurudwara is more important than your English class. Chalo, theek hai. Okay, Kapil. Anything else you
Yes.
have to add? Satish, have you prepared sentences on polarizing? Can you
Yes,
try?
ma'am, sure. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
tell me.
So I have made complete complete scenario on journalism in India.
Yeah. Okay.
So journalism in India is not going well in today's time because journalists are spreading so many fake news amongst the people.
News is nahi, it's just news.
News, yeah, news.
So many भी ho, then also it's news.
Okay, amongst the people, even without any proof,
Very good.
they are polarizing opinions of the people, and no one there to question them.
Exactly. No one is there
Yes,
to question them.
yes,
किसी से कोई उनसे सवाल जवाब करने के लिए नहीं है, or nobody is there to
yes,
ask them why are you doing wrong, or nobody is there to point out their mistakes and what they're
yeah,
doing wrong or right. So you can say that nobody is there to question them. Like,
question them.
to question them. I didn't teach you guys yesterday this. So you write it. Question them. To question them or to question anyone. Write it down. To question anyone. That means like you can question your politicians, you can question the journalist, you can question the doctor that you go to. What is wrong with me? Tell me, explain it to me. Right? To question. You understand, right? You have to start using it in your spoken language more.
Hmm.
I want to say something here.
Yes, Deepak.
Can I?
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, in my paragraph also, there was a similar kind of situation. So I used the word, there is no one to raise their voice
Voice.
against the
Yes,
situation.
against them. Very good. You can say. बहुत अच्छा है. To raise voice against. क्या बोलते हैं? To raise voice against
Again.
them. To raise voice against them. और to voice against them भी बोल सकते हैं. To raise voice against them. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me the words? There are two different words in English language that we come across and which are very simple words, which is two action verbs, which are to push and to pull. What is it? The difference between them?
पुश पर धक्का देना, पुल खींचना.
धक्का देना और pull मतलब खींचना, right?
खींचना.
Yes.
But if you start using these words with the word, like if you put over with the word push, push over. What is a push over? Or what is pull over?
Somewhere I heard about it. Heard
Hmm?
or heard, ma'am. But
Pull over is very simple. Pull over, everyone knows.
I don't know the exact meaning. Means what should we call it? It's striking somewhere in my mind, but not coming on
It's
my
used
tongue.
in the sense of cars. Can you now tell me parking ke time pe you say pull over? If
Oh,
for example, I'll tell you.
throwaway wale.
If you are driving, right, and there is a police car right behind you, and they
Okay.
want to stop. So what do? You park your car on the side of the road, right? So that
Right.
it doesn't disturb the rest of the traffic, and you can have a
Okay.
word or you can talk with the policeman. So what are you
Right.
doing? That action that you do where you stop the car, what are you doing? You are pulling over, right? Stopping your car there. You can pull over in the parking lot of a mall as well. जहाँ कार रोक रहे हैं. You are pulling over. Write it down. Pull
कार
over.
रोकना.
Hmm.
Pull over mean parking somewhere.
Yes. Not parking somewhere, stopping your car somewhere.
Okay.
Slow down or move to the side, right?
Actually, one thing I have noticed in Delhi means
Yeah.
earlier when the signs or roadside, it was no stopping, no standing. It was like, but after that it was changed to no standing, no park, no stopping, something no parking means some words was replaced with that later on.
Did they?
I don't know what the exact was that means either it was instead of stopping it was no, instead of standing, they used parking, and stopping is means you are stopping temporarily, right?
You are stopping temporarily, you are pulling over.
Okay.
संदीप समझ आ रहा है?
यस मैम. मैम
Okay.
आवाज ना रुक गई है.
आवाज रुक के आ रही है?
हम्म.
क्या समझ नहीं आया?
मैम जो बोल रहे थे.
पुल ओवर पुश ओवर लिखो, इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? टू पुल ओवर. पुल ओवर मतलब गाड़ी को साइड में रोक के लगाना. स्लो कर, पहले आप स्लो करते हो अपनी गाड़ी को, उसके बाद रोड को साइड में लगाते हो. दैट मीन्स दैट यू आर पुलिंग ओवर. आई पुल्ड ओवर माय कार व्हेन द कॉप्स केम बिहाइंड मी. ओके. कॉप्स क्या होता है?
We can also relate it
Police.
when
You'd say you will see this word in written in a lot of newspapers also, and you will see the word cops in American movies as well. It's used in
Yes,
very
police.
very
police officers.
Americanized English. So this word is cops. पुलिस, पुलिस को बोलते हैं cops, है ना? संदीप, which country do you want to go?
कैनेडा मैम.
कनाडा. वहां पे सब cops बोलते हैं पुलिस को. सीख लो. Cops are coming, not the police. They say cops. Okay. So when I saw the cops, I pulled my car over, or I pulled over.
I
Hanji.
have another explanation for the word pullover, means another example.
Example.
When
Yeah.
we generally go to mountains, we
Hmm.
generally see a beautiful view and we pull over our car on the roadsides to click the pictures,
So that we can enjoy the view, right?
right?
Yeah, scenic view.
Very good. The
Scenic
scenic
view, yeah,
view of
very
the
good.
mountains. There's another word that you can use, which is idyllic. If something you see is very beautiful, like, very scenic. The scene is very beautiful.
Yes,
You say
yes.
that it is a very idyllic view. Write it down. Idyllic. Idyllic. Beautiful scene. Like the mountains have an idyllic view. है ना? Sandeep will make a sentence on idyllic now. Hanji Satish bolo.
No, ma'am. No, by mistake I clicked.
Okay. Sandeep, you have a sentence? Idyllic पे? Give me one sentence. Try. Kapil?
When I
Yeah. Try.
um, I last year I visit to the Rajasthan. I saw many idyllic view in that place.
Very idyllic views. Very good.
Yes.
Okay, Kapil, your chance.
Uh, uh, I visited Naldehra property of Kalam Mahindra last year. So it was idyllic view.
The
Uh,
view was idyllic.
yeah, the view was idyllic.
Okay. Now we'll do a debate. Okay. So the topic
I
for
want
debate.
to ask one more thing.
Yes, yes.
When I try to use idyllic view, it seems that means the view is beautiful, but not extremely beautiful. Means ठीक है, it's better
No.
than our normal place. Is it?
No, no, no. It's idyllic view is not like idyllic view is like the best view, very ideal for your eyes. Like the
Okay.
best for your eyes. Idyllic is used in that sense.
Okay, okay. Actually, I got the wrong meaning of ideal. Means
Okay, now
are
we'll
you
do a
sitting
debate.
ideal? It means I thought कि वेल्ले को बोलते हैं ideal बैठा है यार.
No, no, no,
फिर
no.
then I recollected ideal means we are following someone to be like him.
That's idle.
Yeah.
Yes, that
That's
idol.
idle. IDOL.
IDL.
Yeah,
Okay.
not ideal. If you see
Okay.
such,
Then I was
you
corrected.
can
There was
say that you
another
are
word
idle.
IDLE.
Ideally, ideal is different.
Yeah. Oh.
Ideal, it's used in the sense that I am not doing anything. I'm sitting what? Ideal.
Yeah. Then
No,
I
it's
think
idle.
the meaning was right in my mind, but I related it incorrectly.
Idyllic means very beautiful view. Extremely beautiful.
Okay.
Okay? Acha, I told you the meaning of pullover, but I didn't tell you the meaning of pushover. Who's going to try?
Push off.
Pushover. Pushover. What is a
Push,
pushover?
push. Let the car go.
Hmm?
कार को start करना
No, that is not the meaning of pushover.
I think
Pullover and pushover are not opposite
pushover
words.
is means we take our car from the roadside and then went.
No. Pushover is something that you can easily win or something that someone you can easily convince. Is a pushover.
Sometimes we used to call it. I means if we have a conversation and we are doing negotiations on something, then we say थोड़ा और push करके देख लो, maybe budget में आ जाए चीजें. Is it?
No, someone who's is for example, you are at work, okay, and the boss keeps on giving you more and more tasks, more and more tasks, more and more tasks, and you don't say no. You don't have the habit of saying no, or you don't know how to say no, right? So you say that I am just being a pushover, and the boss is just giving me a lot of work to do at work, lot of tasks to do at work, right? So that is being a pushover.
To stretch something beyond his limitations, capabilities.
Don't try to make meanings out of the words. Don't try to these have no sense. They're just used in the language. That is why I'm teaching you. If they made sense, then I wouldn't teach you. You'd make sense out of it. You're smart people anyways. मैं अलग से पढ़ा रही हूँ because it has there's no sense anyways. It's just
Okay,
use the
okay,
way it is.
okay.
Okay, now we'll have a group discussion. No, we'll have a debate session. We have 4 people.
एक बार
Okay?
पुश ओवर का एक्सप्लेन कर दो फिर से,
क्या?
पुश ओवर को फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दो।
Pushover का exact meaning?
एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दो।
Pushover. Okay. Something which is easy to win, or something which is easy, someone who's easy to convince. ठीक है, मतलब जिसको परसुएड नहीं करना पड़ता बहुत ज्यादा. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ परसुएड? When you have to compel people, when you have to tell people they have to do this, you have to do this, I'm persuading people. Like I persuade you guys, I put pressure on you guys. I'm, to study more. It's to persuade. Okay, now we'll do a group discussion.
Yes.
Okay, there's a quota system in India. Reservation
Right.
for certain people, right? So you have some people are against it, and some people are for it. That means some people like the fact that uh, we have reservation system in India, and some people don't. So you have 2 minutes to prepare. Satish and Kapil, you guys are for reservation. That means that you think that reservation in Indian system, Indian society should be there, right? And Sandeep and Deepak, you guys are against reservation. You think that there should be no reservation in the Indian system. Reservation का मतलब समझते हैं ना संदीप? अरे जब एग्जाम देते हैं तो कोटा होता है ना एग्जाम में. देयर इज अ कोटा सिस्टम कि इतने कोटा के बच्चों के लिए ये ओबीसी कोटा है, ये बैकवर्ड क्लास कोटा है ना? Scheduled caste का कोटा होता है. Scheduled tribes have a quota. OBCs have a quota. That means that they get preference before the general people do. Even if they have scored less in exams, they will get the preference ahead of the general people, right? They'll get more preferred. So there's a quota. Why? Why there's a quota? Why there's a reservation system? That's what we're going to discuss about. Okay. So Satish and Kapil are for the reservation system, and Deepak and Sandeep, you are against it. That means that you don't like the reservation system, and you have to give me points why reservation system is bad. Okay. You have how many minutes to prepare?
2
Minutes.
minutes.
Okay. Write down the points if you want. Use Google, whatever. But we are going to practice this. Okay. Satish had to leave for work, so we are left. So Kapil, you are for the reservation system, and Sandeep and Deepak are against the reservation system. Okay, you are fighting
Okay.
alone.
Okay.
Google kar lo, do whatever you want. I need some sentences out of your mouth. Okay.